In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product timeline. A product timeline is an essential tool for project management, helping you visualize key milestones, deadlines, and deliverables in a clear, chronological order. It's incredibly useful for communicating your product roadmap to stakeholders, aligning your team, and keeping everyone on track. We'll be using FigJam for this, which is an excellent online whiteboarding tool by Figma, known for its collaborative features and extensive template library. It's the perfect environment for bringing your ideas to life and structuring your product's journey effectively. To begin, you'll first need to access FigJam. If you're already in Figma, you'll typically find an option to create a new FigJam board. Look for the FigJam option on your screen, which usually presents itself when you're starting a new file or choosing a different board type. Clicking this will open up a fresh blank canvas, ready for you to start shaping your project. This initial step sets the stage for leveraging FigJam's intuitive design and collaboration features, preparing you for the next phase of timeline creation. Once you have your FigJam board open, our next step is to explore the available templates that can kickstart your timeline. Navigate your attention to the tools or menu bar, typically found on the side or bottom of your screen. Within these options, you'll want to locate and click on More Prompts. This button serves as a gateway to a treasure trove of pre-designed templates and frameworks that can save you a lot of time and effort. It's designed to help you quickly find specialized tools for various planning needs, including, of course, our product timeline. After clicking More Prompts, a new panel or menu will appear, displaying a range of different templates and tools. Among these choices, you will clearly see an option labeled Timeline. This is exactly what we're looking for. Selecting this option will prompt FigJam to prepare the specific timeline template for insertion onto your board. Choosing this template ensures you're starting with a structured, professional layout designed specifically for tracking project progress and key dates. With the timeline template now selected, you'll typically see a preview or a confirmation on your screen. To finalize the addition of this template to your FigJam board, simply click on the Make button. This action will instantly generate and place the pre-designed timeline onto your canvas, ready for customization. It essentially takes the blueprint you've chosen and brings it to life on your workspace, providing you with a foundational structure to build upon immediately. Now that the timeline template is on your board, the exciting part begins. You can fully edit and customize it to suit your product's specific needs. This is where you'll populate your timeline with actual data. You can click on the existing placeholder elements to change dates, add specific milestones, define key tasks, assign responsibilities to team members, and even adjust colors to categorize different phases or types of work. Take your time to thoughtfully fill in each section, ensuring clarity and detail. Remember, a well-defined timeline is a powerful communication tool, so make sure it accurately reflects your product's journey.